In this video, we will show you how to activate two-step verification in Gmail. Two-step verification is for our security, okay? To activate them on the Gmail, it's very easy. First, you need to open my account.google.com, okay? Just type like this, and you can go to my account.google.com. Okay, don't forget to do that. For example, I will using my Gmail address and I will type the password. Okay, after that you can go to my account.google.com. Okay, back to here, you can see. Then you can select security tab here. Okay, you can see there is two-step verification is off. Okay, if you scroll down, you will have menu how you sign into Google. Okay, with two-step verification is off. Just click this. Okay, now then you can turn on two-step verification. Just click this. Now you successfully set up two-step verification. The Google prompt with two devices and your phone number. So when you log in, you will using Google prompt that appear on your smartphone and also will confirmation via phone number. This is the very secure for your Gmail. Okay, and you can click done. Okay, now you have two-step verification, and if you want to turn off, you can just click this. That's a tutorial how to enable or activate two-step verification in Gmail. Thanks for watching.